friends, welcome back to Simple Daily Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of coconut milk pulao or coconut milk rice. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and 5 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Add some cashews to the hot oil and fry them until they get light golden color. Take them out, and to the remaining oil add biryani spices. And 2 finely chopped onions. Fry them for 2 minutes. Next add 1/4 cup carrot, 1/4 cup green peas. Cook for another 3 minutes. Next add some salt, 6 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook for another 2 minutes. Next I am adding 1.5 cups of fresh coconut milk. Grind coconut pieces with some water and extract milk from that. Add some fresh coriander. Next add 1 cup of basmati rice. Here I have washed and soaked this basmati rice for 30 minutes. Mix well and pressure cook for 1 whistle on medium-high heat. Pressure has gone. Let's open this. Wow! Now I am adding fried cashew and also some coriander. Our simple and delicious coconut milk pulao is now ready. For Telugu recipes, subscribe to my channel Mana Magic Kitchen. I will link the link below. Try this yummy coconut milk pulao at your home, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe to my channel.